Curious about how a career break can supercharge your professional journey? Let's uncover the secrets. In today's fast paced world, we all are running towards that dream career. But sometimes hitting pause, taking a break, can be the strategic move. Hi, I'm Shweta Swarnkar, your career breakthrough strategist and HR professional. Today, let's discuss the power of career breaks, how they can redefine your professional journey, and the importance of showcasing them effectively. So, what exactly is a career break? It's usually a conscious decision to step away from your professional role, often to focus on personal growth, family, or simply to recharge. Interestingly, many women opt for career breaks due to maternity, but there are numerous other reasons too. Whether it's acquiring new skills, prioritizing mental health, or accepting and welcoming parenthood, career breaks are very important chapters in our life stories. Now, you might wonder, how do I present this break to potential employers? So, here's the good news. Platforms like LinkedIn have recognized the value of these experiences. They have introduced career break feature. So, you can add career break and give your professional narrative around that. It has 13 distinct reasons to categorize your career break. This feature not only normalizes career breaks but also provides a structured way to showcase the skills and experiences gained during that time. See, taking a break isn't a setback, it's a strategic move towards more fulfilling and balanced professional life. By transparently sharing your career break, you demonstrate authenticity and resilience, the qualities which are highly valued in today's job market. Considering a career break or currently on one, accept it, reflect, recharge, and prepare to leap forward. And don't forget to update your LinkedIn profile to reflect this enriching experience. Until next time, stay inspired and keep thriving one breakthrough at a time. And don't forget to subscribe for more career insights.
She stands tall, she leads like a queen. Her spirit unyielding, her heart on fire. With every step she climbs higher, higher. No storm can shake her, no wind's too strong. She's a force of nature far beyond.